Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I'm Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So till then, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to solve from exercise 4.2 of your NCERT book. So I'll be solving from question number 1 to question number 4. And the remaining questions we'll be discussing in the next class. Okay children? So let us begin then. So this is the first question of your exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square. Okay. So how to do it then? So in the method of completing the square, so first thing we have to see that the coefficient of x should be a perfect square, so which is not in this case. So first, in order to bring it to a perfect square form, what we can do is we can divide the equation by 2. So dividing the equation by 2, we get 2x square divided by 2 minus 7x divided by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Correct or not? Okay, so now this will be equal to 7x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2x is equal to how much? 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now, in order to bring it to a complete square form, so first you have three terms which can be represented as either a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, because you have a minus sign with, with the variable x, so you can go for a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is already defined for you, which is nothing but x square. Now to find out your what? Your b square. So how to do that then? So here you should express it in terms of 2ab. So a is already there. So if you multiply 2, okay, if you multiply 2 here, because you need 2ab, so 2 into x, a is there, into b will be how much, because you have multiplied 2 here, so you have to divide that 2. So in that case, what will be your b? B will be 7 by 4. Correct or not? Then in order to bring that b square term, so what I will do is I will add this 7 by 4 whole square. Then I need to subtract it also, because we have added one extra term here. So 7 by, that is what we do in method of completing the square, correct? So 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0, correct? So now, so now what you have got is, let us write down. So you have got, it implies you have x minus 7 by 4 whole square, okay, x minus 7 by 4 whole square. Then you had subtracted this 7 by 4 whole square. Then you had a term which was already there in the equation, that is 3 by 2. So let us write it as it is. Let us check whether we have done it correct or not. Yes. So now let us solve it for the, so you'll have x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So this becomes your 49 divided by 16 plus 3 by 2. is equal to 0. Correct or not? So now what I will do is, so I will take all the constant to the right hand side of the equation, right? So in that case, this will become 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Correct or not? So let us solve it then. So you in the denominator you will have 16. So here 49 minus. So here you need to multiply 8 to 3. So that becomes 24, and the answer will be equal to 25 by 16, right? So this is the value of x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So what will be the value of x minus 7 by 4 then? That is square root of 25 by 16, which is nothing but equal to 5 divided by 4. Correct or not? So either it can be plus 5 by 4 or it can be minus 5 by 4. So let us take it separately. So suppose x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus 5 by 4. So in this case your x will be equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, that is equal to 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. And if you take the negative value of it, so in that case this can be written as, and x minus 7 by 4 will be equal to minus 5 by 4. It implies if your x, this 7 by 4 will go to the other side, it will be minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, which will be equal to 2 divided by 4, and your answer will be 1 by 2. So what are the solutions to the quadratic equation? So x is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2. So this is the solution to your given quadratic equation. Okay children. So now let us go to bit 3. Okay, because I am going to give bit 2 and bit 4 as assignment or homework for you, because if each and everything I will do, then you won't practice. Okay, so first you try from your side. If any doubt you have, you can ask me. I will definitely get back to you. Okay, so now let us solve the third bit, that is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here the coefficient of x is already a perfect square, so we can without dividing or multiplying, we can just start with the given quadratic equation. So I will write this in form of a square, where a will be equal to 2x square. Okay, so now because there is a plus sign before your 4 root 3x, so you can try to convert it into a plus b whole square. Okay, so here you have to bring the term 2ab, 2ab. So now 2 into, what is a? A is 2x. A is 2x. Now you see what is left with your 4 root 3. So this multiplication should be equal to 4 root 3x. So now you have already got 4x. So what you should multiply here in order to get the answer as 4 root 3x. So if you can write root 3 divided by, so here already you have 2 into 2x into root 3. If you write in this format, then what will have, you need to divide anything with root 3? No, because already you have 2 into 2, 4, 4 into root 3. So in this case, what will be your b value? B will be root 3. So now check whether you have b square term or not. What is b here? B is root 3 here. What will be b square value? Then root 3 square, which is nothing but equal to 3. So for this 3, now I can write root 3 whole square. Correct or not? Can I write root 3 square? Correct. So it was very easy then. Now the entire term becomes a perfect square. So you will get 2x plus root 3 is whole square is equal to 0. So it implies, okay, so your uh, root 3, so this your 2x plus root 3 will be equal to what will be equal to 0. It implies what is the value of your root 3, the x, then 2x is equal to minus root 3. 2x is equal to minus root 3, and what will be your x value? So x value is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. Correct or not? So if you want to write down 2 form, because it is a square, both the case the answer will be, the root of the quadratic equation will be minus root 3 by 2 only. Why? Because it the complete quadratic equation which is given here is nothing but equal to 2x plus root 3 whole square. So what are the roots here? So roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Because why I am writing 2? Because it is a square, right? For square you will have two roots which is equal here because it is a perfect square. Okay, so we have completed our bit 3 now. So now let us go to next question. So that is question number 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So the question was, find the root of the quadratic equation which is given in question number 1. You have to find out the roots of the quadratic same equations by using your quadratic formula. There you are done by method of completing square. So here we are going to find out by method of quadratic formula. So for quadratic formula, first you need to write down the coefficient. A is equal to 2 here, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 3. Okay, so what is the formula for your root of the quadratic equation? So x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here b square minus 4ac square root is denoted by capital D also. This will be discussed in the next concept. So now I am not writing, I am just writing it as b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us just replace b, a and c with the corresponding value. So you have for b it is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 plus or minus b square, that is minus 7 whole square, minus 4 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2. So you have minus into minus 7, that is plus 7. Okay, so plus 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 24 divided by 4. So that becomes your 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 4. So if you take a plus 5, then x is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3, and if you take minus, it will be 7 minus 2, that is 2 by 4, and which is equal to 1 by 2. So root of the equations are, so x is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. If you remember, in the previous section also we have got the same value. That is the reason why I am going to solve bit 1 to bit 3 to show you that whichever the method you want to adopt, you will get the same answer. Okay. So now let us go to the next problem, that is bit 3. Okay, so this we need to, previously we have solved by completing the square method. Now we have to solve by using our quadratic formula. So let us write down the coefficient then. So what is the coefficient of x square? It is 4. What is coefficient of your x? It is equal to minus 4 root 3. And what about your c? C is equal to 3. So let us write down the formula again. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is minus b? It is minus of 4 root 3. So that becomes 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 4 root 3 square minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 4. So that is equal to 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of. So now this becomes 16 into 3, right? Minus 4 square is 16 into root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3, that is 48, minus 16 into 3 is how much? Again it is 48 divided by 2 into 4, that is 8. So this term becomes 0. So what is the value then? So your answer is, so you just discard it. So the answer is again equal to root 3 by 2. Correct. So roots are root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2 again. So because it is a square term, so you can write down that for both the case it is root 3 by 2. Correct. So this is the answer. Correct. So by the previous method also you had obtained the same answer. Correct, children? So now you try with your bit 2 and bit 4 both by completing the square and by using your quadratic formula. Okay, children? Now let us go to the next question. That is question number 3. Find the roots of the following equation. So before going to find out the solution, first we have to bring it to quadratic form, correct, which is not in quadratic form now. So now let us first bring it to quadratic form. So you will get here, if you take x as denominator, you will get x square minus 1 is equal to 3. It implies your x square minus 1 is equal to 3, and your quadratic equation will be x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now using your quadratic formula again. So let us write down a is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 1. So what will be your x value? So x is equal to minus B, that is minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So that becomes 3 uh, plus or minus square root of minus 3 whole square is 9 plus. How much is 4 into minus 1? It is minus 4, minus of that plus 4 divided by 2. So that is 3 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2. So what will be the roots of your equation? So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. So x is equal to 3 plus root 13 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to next problem, that is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So this is also not in directly quadratic equation form, standard form of quadratic equation. So first let us bring it to quadratic equation form. So here another constant has been given, that is x is not equal to minus 4 by 7. Why? If x will be minus 4, then what will be your first term? It will become infinity, correct or not? Because minus 4 plus 4, it will be 0. So 1 by 0 is undefined, correct or not? So that is the reason why this constant has been given to you. Okay. So now let us bring it to simpler form. So you will get x minus 7 minus x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Correct or not? So let us open up the bracket or parenthesis. So you will have x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. So you have here minus 11 into 30 is equal to 11 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. So we can cancel this 11 over here so that your equation will be more simpler. Correct. So you have minus 30 in the left hand side. So now just let us rearrange it. Okay. So before that, let us find out the product of this. So you will be having x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. Correct? So taking this 30 to other side, you will get x square minus 3x minus 28. Minus 30 will come here, so that becomes plus 30. So this becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct or not? Now it is very simple. Your a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. So what will be your x value? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is minus b? It is 3 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 3 square. B square is 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2. Correct? So your x is equal to how much? 3 plus or minus. What is the value of 4 into 2? It is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1, right? So you will have 1 divided by 2. Okay, so what will be your x value then? X is equal to either 3 plus 1 divided by 2 or it will be 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So you have your x is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. So the values of x are x is equal to 2 and 1. Okay children, hope you have understood this. Okay, so now let us go to the next problem. The sum of reciprocal of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. For behind is present age. So let Rahman's present age be x. Then his age 3 years ago. Watch, x minus 3. His age 5 years from now will be how much? Will be equal to x plus 5. So now according to the question, the reciprocal of this age, that is 3 years ago and 5 years from now, when it is added, that becomes 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So just in the previous example, we have solved this kind of problem. So first we have to bring it to quadratic equation form. Correct or not? So it implies you will have x plus 5 plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Correct or not? So you will get how much? You will get 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 5. So it implies 6x plus 6 is equal to. So let us find out the product of this. So this is x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. So what you will get? You will get x square minus 3x plus 5x is how much? It is plus 2x, right? So x square plus 2x minus 15. So let us bring this 6x and plus 6 to the other side. So minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So you will get x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, so now you have to solve this equation. So you can use the quadratic formula. So let us use the quadratic formula to find out the solution to this equation, that is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b. What is minus b here? Minus of minus 4. Correct? Plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into, what was our a? It was 1. What was our c? It is minus 21 divided by 2 into, what is a value? A is 1. So it is plus 4 plus or minus square root of, you have 16 minus 4 into 1 minus 21. How much is the answer? It is 21 into 4 is 84, because you have a minus sign. So you will get 84 here. So divided by 2. So 16 plus 84. How much? It is 100, right? So 4 plus or minus square root of 100 divided by 2. So your answer will be 4 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. So what are the possible values of x? So x is equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 7, or else it is 4 minus 10 divided by 2, which is nothing but equal to minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Now what is x? X is Rahman's age. Age can be negative, it cannot be, right? So this value of x is rejected. So what is Rahman's age then? So Rahman's age is 7 years. Correct, children? Hope you have understood the problem. So today we have discussed from question number 1 and 1 to 4. So I have given two problems for you from question number 1 and question number 2 to solve it by using your method of completing square and quadratic formula. Please do both of them. Okay, hope you have understood the problems. Okay, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to download the app and enroll yourselves, and you have to follow us in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all. Okay children, bye, take care, keep smiling.